master data or house bank creation, some foreign currency revelation, some T codes. But asset accounting is more changes has been done in asset accounting. First, you have to concentrate on what is asset accounting. In the asset accounting is also very, very important. Can you please anyone tell me what is the asset accounting in the general language? Why we are using asset accounting in SAP? See, for example, accounts payable is there, right? What is the accounts payable? There are some transactions between company and vendors. We are doing the vendor payments, vendor invoice and all. Same like the account receivable. Account receivable means what? Sales to customer related. Okay. Then what is asset accounting? Hmm. 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 Okay. Rabi or Rambabu?
So this is like in general way I'm saying it is like a kind of method where like we are maintaining the from start of the like fixed assets to till it's like from the acquisition to whatever the getting the depreciated value. So whole like kind of you can say that a life cycle will be we are treating and maintaining the assets overall in the
Hmm.
SAP system.
Right. In the vendor master data also, what we are doing, first we have to create the vendor invoice. Right. Here also, first what we have to create? First we have to create the asset. I am telling always master data. What are the master data till now we are having? Asset master, sorry, GL master data, vendor master data,
Customer.
and customer master data. This is also asset master data. Means first we have to create the asset. After that, what we have to acquisition means what? Asset is we are purchasing only, right?
Yes.
We are purchasing from the internal system, otherwise external way also, transaction type, right? We have to get the asset from the other source. Then what we have to do? We have to do the depreciation each and every month or each and every year or something like that. Mostly periodically we are doing. That means every month only we are doing. Correct. Normal way depreciation, how many ways you have to calculate? What are the methods we are following in the normal way? What are the methods we are mainly following?
Straight and
Straight line
diminishing
method,
method,
Straight line method, super,
Cum-
and
diminishing value method.
Diminishing.
diminishing balance method.
yeah, diminishing value or decline value method. Those are the two is very, very important. What is the straight line method?
Fixed amount will be.
Hmm.
Fixed amount will be means fixed percentage.
Yes.
Okay, for example, 1 lakh is the asset value. Then per annum is 10%. That means what? After
10,000.
10 years, it will be zero. Diminishing method or decline balance method, what is that?
For example, first year we have decreased 10%.
Every year the value decreased. Yeah.
Net value, yeah. It will be calculated on net value.
Net book value, that is the
Yeah.
important word. What is that? Net book value.
Okay.
First is what? Base value is the 1 lakh. 10,000 is there, 90,000. Second is what?
9,000.
90,000 of 10%. Like that only. Correct.
Yes.
Then can you please tell me what is the value becomes zero? Which method it is going to become zero?
First method. Straight line method.
Straight line value.
Uh-huh.
Straight line method.
Straight line.
Straight line method only.
I think so.
Okay, that is you have to calculate. Then normally only I am asking that. Okay, you have to check in the means later some Excel sheet only you can use it, and you can tell what is the which one it is going to be zero faster. Okay, now do you know about depreciation areas like that only? What are the depreciation areas? Okay, no problem. Okay, I will share my screen. See, asset accounting. What is this? This is also subledger. Subsidiary ledger means what? Whatever we are using that is the GL is the general ledger. Subsidiary ledger is what you are having till now. Accounts payable, that means vendor, customer, and assets. That means we have to use the reconciliation ledger only. That is okay. Whatever we are doing the transactions through reconciliation ledger itself only, it will update. These are the terminologies are very very important, man. In interview point of view, they may ask, they may know, they 100% they will ask, what is chart of depreciation? Chart of depreciation means what? See, asset accounting customization will be made to chart of depreciation, and chart of depreciation will be assigned to company code or company codes. Okay, chart of depreciation is very very important. In the first thing is what? Normally chart of accounts is there, right? Whenever we are creating any general ledger or something like that, chart of accounts are very very important. Here asset accounting, chart of depreciation is the main concept. Clear? These are the terminologies, man, you have to by heart. What I will give the definition notes or something like that, don't worry, but you can remember these terminologies. What is depreciation area? Depreciation area is that book depreciation area, income tax depreciation area, casting depreciation area, group depreciation areas. But book depreciation area we are using for the posting purpose. Remaining what we are using for, or we are using only for the reporting purpose. Okay, this is very important. I will give the notes, man, don't worry. But this is very very important terminology. Depreciation methods, correct? What is the depreciation methods we are having here? Straight line depreciation method. What is calling simply SLM method. Okay, straight line method. Depreciation will be calculated on product cost. In our example, what is in our example? Product cost is 1 lakh earlier, correct? In the written down value depreciation or diminishing method, what is the value? What is that? Depreciation will be calculated on the net book value. Okay, this is very very important. This is also in that depreciation keys. What is the depreciation keys? Based on the depreciation keys itself only, how the system knows, okay, what percentage we have to calculate or something like that. We have to maintain the depreciation key in the asset master data. Okay, where we have to maintain? In the asset master data, we have to maintain the depreciation key. Depreciation key means what? Here it is telling that what is the rate and which method we are going to follow. What is the method here? For example, 10% I am taking here SLM, 15% is the WDV. Posting keys. Rambabu, can you please tell me till now what are the posting keys? Do you know? What are the posting keys? Do you know that?
Not exactly. I don't.
Praveen, 40, 50. Whenever you are saying that 40, debit the GL, debit the GL. Okay, 50 is the credit the GL. Okay, 31 is the credit, vendor credit. 01 is what? Customer debit. Say, okay, same like that. 70 and 75 is the debit the asset, credit the asset. See, 11 or something. Why you are using still, Praveen, Google? 11, I did not tell. Where you are seeing that 11 posting key? In our example, where you are seeing that when you are posting that any accounting entry, where you are seeing the 11? That is your wish, man. I am telling only so many times. If you are still using the second method or something like that, then there is no point. See, my point is that, see, first you can focus on one material or one thing only. Again, transaction type. What is the transaction type? Whenever we are creating any asset or something like that, it will show like that only. Okay. That means 100. We are giving the transaction type itself only. Means whenever we are acquisition. What is the acquisition, Rabi? What is meaning of acquisition?
To acquire something like product.
Right. We are acquiring means we are buying, simple language. Right. We are
Yeah.
purchasing.
Yes.
Okay. That means we have to maintain the transaction type. I will show you in the system. Okay, in the transaction type it will give that 100 is that external asset acquisition, 110 is the in-house production, 210 is the retirement with revenue. Okay, man, again I am telling that April 1st onwards you people will turn on the videos. That is the main important, and I will take the one-to-one session itself only. That means whenever you people are completed, then only our call will be closed. Got it? For example, Rambabu is not telling within half an hour or something like that. I will wait for 2 hours or 3 hours. But whenever I am giving the any task or something like that, you will give the next day itself only. Otherwise, don't come, man. Seriously, I am telling that. April 1st onwards means I am giving the April 1st. For example, tomorrow you have to read these topics, EBS. I am not giving the 3 to 4 topics. No, I am giving just only one topic. EBS means EBS also, whatever I am asking or something, I will give that notes itself only. You have to by heart. Okay, then next day I will ask, for example, Rabi. He will turn on the video and he will. I will ask the questions. He will give the answers. Second one is that Rambabu, like that only 4 members. If someone is I am not satisfying his answers or something like that, then you have to stay in the call itself only. Otherwise, you have to tell after half an hour or something. I will again we will correct or something like that. But my point is that you have to finish. Don't tell me that I am having some office work or something like that. Clear? April 1st onwards, man. Seriously, because my point is that now calls are very good. We have to get the job now itself only. If calls are not there, then there is no point, right? That is the reason you people will prepare. I will give only just one topic only. For example, basic settings are there. I will give the basic settings only. What is the posting key? Okay, what is the posting variant? What is the global parameters? Like that only. For example, APP is there. Only I am giving the APP related. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, this is the 100 is what? Asset acquisition. That means external acquisition. That means outside purchasing. This is the in-house production. Sometimes is what happening? We are purchasing from the, or we are transferring the asset from internally, because some Hyderabad branch is using one asset or something like that. They are closing or something like that. They are moving this asset to the this one also internally moving. That is also we have to use transaction type 110. This means what? Retirement with revenue. What is meaning of retirement with revenue means what? What is meaning of retirement with revenue?
I mean, selling the machinery and asset with profit.
Right. With revenue means what? For example, we are having the 10 years or something like that only. But after that, we are selling the product or something like that. Still, we are having some revenue, 1,000 or 200 or 300. That is, at that time, we are using the 210. Okay. Here, this is very, very important. We have debit and asset. Debit on asset can be due to external asset acquisition or in-house production. Okay, this is what internal company transfer or internal company purchase is related. Okay, by seeing the transaction type, we can find out. Okay, what is the debit or credit, like that only, where it will come or something like that. Okay, this is very, very important. Transaction type means what? See, simply telling that whenever we are seeing the transaction type, we can able to tell the nature of the transaction. Simple. Whenever you are telling the transaction type, are you able to means thinking any other wording or something like that? Whenever transaction type is there any? See, whenever I am telling that what is the transaction type means what? That means nature of the transaction. I am telling that. Is there any other wording is there means in your past topic or something like that?
WRX, VSX.
Super. WR, that is the transaction key. That is the one. And document type also, right? Whenever you are seeing the KR is what? Vendor invoice. KZ is what? Vendor payment. Same like the transaction keys also very good. Transaction keys also very, very important. That means WRX, okay, GBB related only. That means we will get that what is the nature of the transaction. We can easily tell, right? In that asset related also, where we are purchasing or something like that, because this is also maybe we will get the reporting purpose. Okay, some manager will ask you, the end user, can you please send the report, what are the external we are buying or something like that? Then what he is simply giving the external transaction type, what is the 100 or something like that, he will pull the data. That is called transaction type, right? Here assetting rules is very, very important, man. That means what? Sub asset master is to be created with the reference of main asset master. That means main asset master we have to create main asset master. Okay, asset master. Main asset master, what is the T code? AS01 is the T code. In that sub asset master, okay, sub asset master means what? For example, AS11. What is the main asset master? Give me some example. And what is the sub asset master? See, what it is telling that main asset master is created with reference to asset class. That means asset class. Account determination is specified in the asset class. For account determination, we assign GL accounts based on the nature of the transaction related. That means what? Main thing is what? Asset class is very important. Asset class where we have to maintain in the account determination, we have to maintain both asset class and account determination combination. We will create the main asset. Okay, then we have to create the sub asset. That means, can you please give any example? That means what? Sub asset master we will create with reference to the main asset master. It is telling like that. Main asset master first we have to create. Can you please give me any examples of both main asset master and sub asset master in a general point of view?
Uh,
Hmm.
Motor vehicle can we consider? Means
Motor vehicle, okay.
motor, and like from motor vehicle department we can use car, bike, means something like that for sub asset master.
No, no, car. Very good. Computer along with table. See, you are telling that car and bike is totally different, man. Correct. Because both are different assets. See, because what it is telling that sub asset master is to be created with reference to the main asset master. That means first we have to create the main asset master, then only we will create to the sub asset master. Because whenever you are creating any sub asset master, it will ask the what is the main asset. That means what? Simple. Refrigerator, for example, refrigerator is there. Refrigerator, okay. Otherwise, computer, that is also very good. Computer, chair, otherwise table, right? Or
Got it. Yeah.
table. Here refrigerator is there. Then what is the sub assets master?
Stand.
stabilizer,
Yeah,
Yeah,
stand sofa.
refrigerator stand.
Then step raiser, right? Like that only. Clear? For example, same only. TV is there. TV is the main asset. Sub asset means what? Stand, step raiser,
Okay.
or setup box. Clear? Those are the sub asset related only. Clear? See here,
Yes.
these are the account determination. I already told, right? Account determination related. What is the account determination? See, here we are telling that account determination, we are specify the asset class. I will tell you, man, we will go through the system also. This is very, very important. Then only you people will understand. That is the reason. See, for example, today only we will start, right? Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Saturday only it will complete asset accounting. But don't worry, because wherever you are going or something like that, in this also, till now you are getting very less accounting entries are there, right? But in the asset accounting, minimum 8 to 10 accounting entries you have to by heart. They will ask, can you please tell me sale of asset? For example, whenever, for example, what you are buying the car, how much? 6 lakhs you are buying, right? Depreciation is happening. Depreciation how much? For example, 50,000. Then selling price, for example, 7 lakhs, for example. Then how much you are getting loss, Rambabu? What is the loss amount? What is the loss amount?
We have purchased for 6 lakhs now.
6 lakhs.
And, and depreciation is 50,000.
Mm,
And we are selling for 7 lakhs. Then we have
mm.
got a profit now.
Right. No, no, my point is that only. Okay, good. Profit. Okay. Then what is the profit?
1.5.
1.5 lakh. Super. Okay. This kind of entries also we have to get it, because in this case I am just giving the profit related scenario only. Same loss related, because in interview they may ask you only, okay, I am purchasing the one car or something like that, 5 lakhs. So loss is, then immediately you have to tell the what is the accounting entries. Okay. Every time you are getting, there are just two entries only, right? With either debit and credit. In this case is what, there are so many entries are there. Debit, a credit. I will tell you, that is the reason I am not giving credit like that only. For example, credit, there are so many line items should be there. That is the reason you have to sale with customer. Sale without customer means what? Sometimes we are selling the product without customer also, we are saying that what is the scenario they may ask. Okay. Sometimes is what, retirement the asset, that means retirement with revenue also you will get it, correct? And sometimes is what, asset is going to be scrap, then what is the accounting entry? Sometimes is what happening, asset transfer from one company code to another company code, then what is the accounting entry? There are 8 to 10 main accounting entries are there. You have to by heart, man. Accounting entries, I am always telling that accounting entries you have to remember. Always you have to remember. Daily please read it. Now, Venkatesh, can you please tell me what is the customer invoice accounting entry?
Customer to sales. Customer account
What one?
data to sales. Customer,
Okay,
right? Customer
super.
account data to sales.
Praveen, what is the customer incoming payment? Bank to bank debit to customer. Super. Okay, you have to read it, man. That is the reason I am telling that whatever is there, you have to see own notes or own Excel sheet or something. You people only prepare. Okay, for example, asset related, what is the accounting entries or something? I will give you, don't worry, but you have to prepare your own way. Clear? Now, coming to account determination. See, in this account determination, what it is telling that here land, building, plant and machinery, furniture, vehicles, capital work in progress. That means what? This is asset under construction. For example, if I want softwares, softwares, that is also I can create as a one asset determination. Correct? For example, hardwares. That is also I can create account determination. That means account determinations. The same like that asset class also we have to create, because in the land related, what is that building? In the building also Because nature of the transaction, that means what? Whatever the building related is there, those we are segregated only. Factory building, non-operating building, for example, non-factory building means rented building, own building, whatever you want or something like that, you can create as the asset class. But what under this is the umbrella, okay, this is the main. Under as account determination we have to create the asset class. Clear? That means whenever we are creating the asset class, it will ask like that only. That means reverse only, I am telling you, sorry. Asset class is there, that is the building. Whenever we are creating the asset determination or something, you will easily understand, don't worry. See, same here. Plant and machinery, that means what? Working plant and machinery. Okay, mission number 1, mission number 2. Furniture related is there, office furniture, factory furniture, like that is there, go down related furnitures. What? Okay, vehicles also, what? Heavy vehicles, low motor vehicles, whatever it is there, like that. Capital working progress means what? General, whatever it is there, like that only. Here again, in the lease, a building is there, you have to create again main asset. Sub asset you want, you can create the sub asset. Clear? Whenever you are creating the main asset, you see, that means what is the number it will create? 10,010 is the main asset. See, main asset master is what? Mission is that, this one is the 10,010. Under this mission, motor 1 I am creating, for example. Motor 1 means what? 10,001 to 1 only it is showing, like that only. Clear? Again, motor 2, 10,001, 2 it is coming like that. Motor 3, 10,003 it is coming like that. That means what? We are creating, how many sub assets we have created here?
3.
3 sub assets. What is the main asset? This is the main assets. How many assets you are be there under this main asset? That is coming as the number is same only, but 0, 1, 2, 3 is nothing but the sub asset master related entries. Okay, clear? Now asset 3 is there. Okay, for example, this is asset. See, this is the customizing, man. What is the customizing? I already told, right? Copy reference of chart of depreciation. That is what? Go with, this is the path. This is EC08 is the T code. We have to create the this one. Assign chart of depreciation. We will go through with customizing now system. Then only you people will understand. This is very, very important, man. Asset accounting. Okay. But most of the companies are not, maybe not asking, don't worry. But some companies only, most of the companies will ask. That means 80% people will ask you related to the asset accounting. Mainly they, what they will ask, main entries related is the main important, and customizing is the main important. Okay. Pass 81588. See, whenever I am asking her something, if you does not know, you can say simply no. Okay, don't Google or don't use the chat GPT and all. Okay, because this is the right time to learn, man. This, see, next 1 month or something is that very crucial or something like that for you. Please continuously read it. This is not critical or something like that, right? It is not very difficult or something like that, right? It is very easy only. That's why I'm telling that please read it. See, whenever I am asking the customizing, some people, some stupid people are there, they may ask direct customizing also. Can you please tell me what are the customizing steps are there? You have to by heart, man. Okay, what you have to by heart means, see what are the steps are there. That is the reason I am clearly giving that. These are the customizing. These are the 9 steps are there. You have to by heart only. That's all. Okay, then they may ask what is the depreciation key, what is the depreciation area, what is the asset class, what is the account determination. Okay, if you are putting more experience, 8 years or 10 years, they will ask you some scenarios. What scenarios? No, for example, I am having 10% only. For example, what is that? Their scenario, for example, 1 lakh is the value. Okay, now 10% is there. 10%. See, this is the 10%. Car is there, man. Okay, car 10%. Who will be given, man, 10% or something like that? For example, I am using Hyundai, man. Okay, Nissan, otherwise Tata. For example, some company is using 10,000 Nissan. Tata is also 10, sorry, 1 lakh. Okay, depreciation is what? 10%. Here, what is the depreciation? Same depreciation is there or some other depreciation is there? Number will change or no?
Same will be.
Venkatesh?
Uh, depends upon the method, right? Depreciation method. If they
No,
are
no,
following
depreciation
straight,
method means what? See, for example, this company is using A company, they are using, man. Otherwise, same only,
okay,
both only. Tata only, man. Okay?
okay,
Tata only, they are using one car. This is the A
mm,
company. Okay?
right,
This is the B company.
okay.
The A company depreciation using 10%. B company is 8%. This is the
Okay.
correct?
No.
No, because as per company means government will give the percentages, man, each and every year. Okay, there are
Okay.
some uh, different values are there. Okay, for example, car is there 8% depreciation or 10% depreciation. Okay, auto is there, this is the depreciation value or something like that. Based on that, they have to maintain like that only. How VAT related is there? For example, VAT related product to product, it will vary, right?
Yes.
But all companies are using the same percentage only. For example, if you are buying the gold or something like that, 2.5% is the 2.5%, 2.5%, or 1.5% or 1.5%, right?
Yes.
3% is the GST related, correct? That means all gold shop is there. Malabar and some others, Tanishq, all are the same only. Here also they are using the same only. Now my point is what they are putting that they will ask this kind of scenarios. What scenarios? For example, car value is 1 lakh. 1 year is 10%, but in the middle or next year it is going to be 8%. Then how you will be there? Where you have to change it? What is the value? This kind of some critical questions they will ask. But you people are putting just 5 years only, then no need means no one can ask in-depth questions or something like that. But we have to prepare some one or two scenarios. They will ask you what kind of scenarios you have tested at the time of implementation or something like that. Then you have to tell like that only. Okay, now what is that? First step is what, man? We have to chart of depreciation. What is the T code?
You see.
EC08. Okay, EC08. Okay, here already what is that? 0 DE. That means provided by SAP. Okay, what I am putting that my company code only, I am putting the chart of depreciation as well. Okay, I am just copying. That means what? See, yes. What that meaning? Whatever the chart of depreciation is there, those depreciation has been created. Okay, that means what? I am copying the 0 DE depreciation itself only be there. Clear? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
We are getting the message, right? Or no? EC08. Okay, 0DE 441. See, chart of depreciation, it is created now. What is that? Okay. Next one is what? OAAB. OAOB is the T code. What we have to do it here? We have to put that. What is our company code? 2244. Okay. In that chart of depreciation, what I have created here? 2244. Correct. See, chart of depreciation is there. That is we have created. We are getting error, man. Some issue is there actually. OAOB. 2244. Here we are getting error, man. Some issue is there, I think, or what? This some issue is there, man. We can't move further. Someone is changing something, maybe.
This what was the error code showing? It's ABAP that is in the red one.
ABAP error is there, right? This is the application server related ABAP program. This is the ABAP dump itself only there. We have to check because this is the IDS system, right? Someone is changing in the some code or something like that. But no problem. That is, I will check and I will let you know tomorrow. Okay. But
Okay.
see, again, what asset depreciation we have to create. Otherwise, what we have to do? Asset. This one only we will do it. Next part we have to do it. That is also no issues. But okay, what we have to do, you know? Oh yeah,
OB.
OB is there. Okay, 2244 is there. What we have to put it? 1900 only. I am putting some inconsistency because this is different and this is different. Chart of depreciation is different. Okay, see, someone is already 3333 is there. I am putting 3333 by maybe. See, here also I am getting the same only, man. This has error we are getting, but because without we can't move further. I think so. Okay, what
Sure.
SPRO financial accounting, asset accounting, organization structure. This is specify this one only. Okay. Then asset classes only we will go there. Next one, see specific determination. Okay, see specific determination means what? We will do it too. After that we will check it. See here account determination. Account determinations is what I am telling that earlier. Our company is what? DIL, right? DIL. For example, 1000. Okay, 1000. What is that? I am putting that land. Again, DIL. What is that? 2000. What we are putting that? Building. Building. Okay. Then what? DIL. 3000. Then plant and machinery. Then DIL. See, account determination means what? What we are going to create. That is the main umbrella related only. Correct? What is that? Plant and machinery and furniture and fixtures, right? 4000.
Yes.
Furnitures and fixture fittings. Then DIL 5000. What is that? Vehicles.
Vehicles.
Okay. Then DIL and 6000. What is that here? Capital work in progress at asset under creations. Okay, just save it. I am just saving it. Then what is the next point? We have to create the screen layouts. Same path only. See, you just go back here, same path. See, under the asset classes, whenever we are creating the asset class, see, asset class, define asset class is the last step only. Before that, what we have to do? First, we have to create the account determination. Then next step is the screen layout. Third step is the define number ranges. Fourth step is the asset classes. Now I am going to do the account determination. What I am doing the account determination here? Already done it, right? Sorry. Then create screen layouts. What is that? Screen layout. Here you have to copy. For example, this one is there, 1000. Building is there, right? Anything, any 6 you can put it. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you just copy. What is that? I am putting that DIL1. Land, I am putting that. Okay, land for DIL. I am for me here DIL2. Then what? Building DIL. Then what? DIL3. What is the numbering here? Here plant and machinery DIL. Then what? DIL4. What is the DIL4? Furnitures. Furnitures DIL. Then what we have to do? DIL5. What is that? Vehicles. Vehicles. Then DIL6. Capital work in progress.
Progress.
Capital work in progress is asset or what?
Maybe liability.
This is not asset. Okay, because this is still in progress. Clear? That is the screen layout related only we are doing. Then what is the next step? We are putting as the this one. What we are putting? Number range interval. What is the number range interval here? We have to give the company code. What is our company code? 2244. Okay. In that we have to give the see why it is telling the 2244. See, this is the showstopper, man. Because we are not assigning chart of depreciation to company code, right? Because we are OA, OB, we are getting the error. That's the reason system is not allowing. where we have to see this kind of number ranges? Where you have to see that what is the T code to see the number ranges earlier?
FBN1.
FBN1, super. FBN1 is normal only, but asset accounting is nothing but the, what is the T code? AS08 is the T code, because this is related to the, see, range maintenance asset number. That is what 2244, but we are not assigning our company code to chart of depreciation. That's the reason system is telling that, what it is telling, company code does not exist. Okay, for example, now I will give that. What is the FBN1? FBN1 is what? It is accounting document only. It is not particularly related to GL or something like that. It is for all. But whatever asset related is there, that is the total different. Clear? But no problem. We will check
Yeah.
another one. AS08 only we will go there. We will check other company code related. Any person has created, right? For example, this person is created. See here, whatever is there, 1000, 2000, sorry, 30,000, 40,000 to, he is giving the number ranges. That means we have created the number ranges also. Correct? What is the path? Again, we will go there. SPRO, I will show you, man, what is the asset class or something like that. That's all. Okay. Now what? We have to go to financial accounting. Then what is that? We have to go to what? Where we have to go? Financial
Asset
accounting.
accounting. Asset accounting.
Asset accounting. Then organization structure. Then asset class. Then see, number ranges interval, our company code is not there, but some other person I am showing, right? Same like that define asset class. See, in the define asset class, you just go to new entries. See here what it is asking that I am giving here asset class, for example. What is our asset class here? DIL.
One.
Land.
Hmm.
What is the asset class here? What I have to give? What I have to give here?
DL1.
Mm-hmm.
DIL 1, 1 to.
No, you here see, whenever
Okay.
the new entries means what, man? Here we have to create the asset class.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Right.
Till now
Right.
we did not create. Till now what we did, see, account determination, we already done it. Screen layout also we did it. Number ranges, but our company code is we are not done it, but it is telling like that only. Correct? In our company code related, for example. Now what is asset class? I will create, for example, DL1 10,000. Okay. What is that here? Land for DIL. I am putting like that. Account determination. What is I already giving? DL 1000 only be there, right? Screen layout. DIL 1. Hello? Number ranges. See, number ranges we will get the error because this is related to the number ranges related only, but in this we will take it. Okay. Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yes.
Now select no asset, no AUCR, because what we are telling to the system, this is related to the asset only. Clear?
Yes.
No AUC means what? This is nothing but the asset. Whatever line item also we have to, no AUC is there. Okay. This one also because we are telling to the system, this is we have to tell the include asset. This is we are telling to the no AUC related only. Clear? Just save it. Just save it. I am taking the some other one related only, man. Okay. Same number ranges. Same. What we have to take? DL 20,000.
20,000.
What we have to give here? Building.
Building.
DIL. Okay. Again, DIL 2000 only I am putting, right? DIL 2. Then what is the number range here? 02. Okay, here include. Then this is also building also asset. No AUC. No AUC means what? This is not no AUC. This is not under construction. This is pure sorry, asset only. Then just save it. Then again, what you have to do same only. Asset class DIL 30,000.
30.
That what is that here?
Plant and machinery.
Plant and machinery. DIL. Okay, now here what we have to put? DIL 3.
3,000.
Okay, again, sorry, account determination is DIL 3,000. 3,000. Okay, here DIL 3. Here we will give the 03 number ranges. This is also include asset. See, that is the reason. What is the important, man? Whenever we are creating the asset class, this 3 is the main important. That's why we created earlier first. This is the prerequisite, right? Then only we can able to create the asset class. If account determination screen layout is not there, we can't create the asset class, correct? That is the reason we are putting like that. This is save it. Then again, what is that? DIL that 40,000. What is that? Furniture, right?
Furniture and fixtures. Yeah.
Furnitures. What is that? DIL. Again, what we have to give here? DIL 4,000. Where here? DIL 4. Then what is the number range? 04. Include this is also asset. Same only. Okay. Again, what is that? DIL
50.
50.
Motor vehicles.
Again, what is that? DIL 5,000. DIL 5. 05. This is also assets. Just save it. Okay. Again, DIL 60,000. Then what is that? Capital
work in progress.
DIL. What is the accounting determination? DIL 6,000.
6,000.
And DIL
06.
6. Then number range, for example, 06. Now, what we have to put here? What we have to put when?
It's not asset.
This is not asset.
Yeah, we can't tick. Yes.
We can't tick mark. This is no AUC asset. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. This is also no AUC means what? We don't put no AUC means what, man? This is asset only. What we have to put? Line item settlement. What is that? Line item settlement. See, what is the meaning? No line item settlement. See, asset under construction with line item settlement. Specify that the asset under construction, this particular asset class, are managed with the option for the final line item settlement to receive the assets or cost centers. That means what? This is the asset under construction itself only. Whatever settlement is there, we have to receive the assets or cost centers, like that only. Then interview question only they will ask. Okay. What is the importance of line item settlement? Why you are using? Then what is your answer? This is related to the asset under constructions. That's why we are using this one. Remaining whatever the assets or something is there, we have to include asset and tick mark of no AUC tick mark. That's all. Just save it. DL 6,000 is not there or what? We did not create it. Okay, 600 only I am taking. Okay, that's the reason it is throwing error. See, I am just missing of 10.
Right.
It is putting like that. Okay, what we have to put? Just save it. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, tomorrow I will tell you remaining, because we have to create so many GL accounts and other things. We have to map it, and before that one I have to also check, because this is the ABAP error only. I will check it, because this is again issue here. Okay, no problem. I will check and I will let you know. But no problem. First, you people will focus on the theoretical related only. I will prepare tomorrow